Hello, geometry people. I hope you had a good Thanksgiving break. We're back. We have 3 weeks before Christmas break, 3.5 weeks pretty much. So we're actually going to start a new topic, and our new topic is parallel lines cut by a transversal. These two lines here are the parallel ones. Parallel lines are lines that never intersect, never touch. And the third line that crosses the two parallel lines is called the transversal. Now, let's look at just the top 4 angles up here. Let's focus on them for a second. If this angle right here is 50 degrees, what is this angle across from it right here? Well, I hope you automatically said 50 degrees also. Those are vertical angles, two angles across from each other. When two lines intersect, the opposite angles across from each other are called vertical angles and are always equal. Now, what is this angle adjacent to the 50? What's this angle right here? Well, the relationship between this angle and this angle, since they make a straight line, is they have to add up to 180 degrees. They are supplementary. That's called a linear pair. So if you do 180 minus 50, you get 130. And then I hope you will automatically say this one down here is also 130 because they're vertical angles, and also the ones next to it are supplementary. Now, the thing that happens with parallel lines, if those two lines are parallel, whatever the angles are up here, they have to be the same thing down here. They're going to be the same angles in the same position. Now, a couple things I want you to notice is there's 8 angles altogether, only 2 different numbers. And those 2 different numbers are in fact supplementary. You see a 50, 50, 50, 50, and a 130, 130, 130, 130. Now, that's going to be our introduction lesson to parallel lines. As soon as you know what one of those angles are, you can find the other 7 angles. Okay, let's just do one example. Let's have parallel lines cut by a transversal. Okay, somebody give me a number. What was that you said? You said 110? Okay. Let's say that angle is 110. What's this angle right here? What's this angle right here? What's this angle? What's this angle? You can kind of go by how it looks. If the angles look like they're the same, meaning in this case they're all obtuse, then that one's 110, that one's 110, that one's 110. If they look like they're acute, they're not going to equal 110, they're going to be supplementary 110. So that one's 70, that one's 70, that one's 70, that one's 70. So my initial question is, if that's 110, what's this one down here? It's going to be 70. And that's really all there is to it. We're going to be doing parallel lines for a few more lessons because there is, a lot more to it actually. But for today, that's all we're going to do with parallel lines. And good luck on your assignment.